Victory is mine. Did you fix your remote?
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, I'll fix it.
That's good.
I'm out of work now.
Oh goodness. What's the pet running on? Pet must run X intervals. Pet must dodge all the balls. Why are they throwing the balls at the bird? Make your pet run between X marks. They running suicides? First should be the right mark, then the left one. Oh goodness. Write the on-spawn function from scratch. Don't forget to use a while loop inside it. We asking for a lot. Okay. So what's this on spawn? What's the parameter in here? Event. Okay. Wow. Wow, true. Okay, so wow. What am I doing? The wolf. I don't have the wolf. I have the raven. Pet move 48. What is it? 48 8. Pet move 12 8. Do I have to do a pass? I don't know. Probably not. Okay, so the pet's gonna go back and forth. Let's see if that works. Oh, they throwing them cannons. Goodness. Cannon. Why are they torturing this bird? Faster. Yeah. That's insane. Dance. Alright. I mean, what if they were just shooting them like sporadically? Just bap, 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 bap. Like, what's the bird gonna do then? Victory? Cause what? That was a doozy. Well, we created a